big YouTubers did recreate the video and didn't give me credit after she had acknowledged it on Twitter, on Snapchat, and her social medias. So I just think that's kind of funny that they did that, but girl. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be filming a Q&A for you guys. I figured I have so many of you guys that are new here in this channel and you guys can probably get to know me a little bit better. And also I will be announcing the Sephora gift card winner, so stay tuned for that because who knows, you might be the lucky winner. And today is Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I'm celebrating by wearing these ear tassels that one of my cousin's mom gave to me and I adore them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I usually don't film on Saturdays, but I was like, you know what the heck, I'm just gonna grab my little wine. If you guys are not 21, please don't drink, but if you're 21 and over, join me with a little beer, a little cup of wine, and then girl, we got a lot of tea to spill today, so I'm ready. You ready? Because I'm ready, so let's get started. First question is, why did me and my boyfriend stop recording or stop uploading on our vlogging channel? And to be honest, it is quite difficult to handle two channels, but we miss it so much. Like, you have no idea how much we miss vlogging, how much we miss picking up the camera and just vlogging for you guys. We really miss it. We were discussing just about that last week and I was telling Jason, I was like, I really miss vlogging, so I think we're gonna go back to vlogging pretty soon. When you least expect it, we will be back, so that's that. Next question is, what brand was your first PR package? So my first PR ever to reach out to me was Profusion, and I think Profusion is always gonna hold a very special place in my heart because literally they were the first brand to reach out to me. When they reached out to me, I like freaked out and cried and I was like, oh my god, PR packaging. So they were the first brand that ever sent me PR and I am so grateful for that. Next question is, if I were to ever run into a pita chip in Houston or in any other city, will I go have lunch with you guys or go shopping? And the answer to that is duh. I would definitely go shopping with you guys or go have dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever, you name it, we will go. I feel like you guys know me on a personal level and I feel like we have a connection even though it's through the internet, and even though I have never met you guys, I feel like the day that I see your beautiful faces, I will be like, yes, let's go. Food plus you plus shopping, yes please. So definitely if I ever bump into any of you guys and you guys invite me for lunch, dinner, or movies, or shopping, I would definitely go with you. If I were to choose one makeup brand for the rest of my life, what brand would it be? And that would definitely have to be NARS, just because I love everything about NARS, their concealer, like their foundation. I just really like it, especially because of the concealer. Like, I can't live without concealer. Like, the mascara doesn't really matter to me. The eyeshadows, as long as I can work with something, but I need to have concealer in my life because I don't sleep a lot. So definitely NARS. Next question is, will I ever do a meet and greet in Texas? And the answer is yes, definitely. I have been wanting to do a meet and greet for the longest, although I don't want to call it a meet and greet just because I feel like I'm not like a celebrity or something. So I definitely want to call it like a hangout with me. I want to do like a hangout like at Gordo's. Gordo's is like a donut place here in Austin. I would want to make like a hangout there and we can all eat, talk, hang out, share like our stories and stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool. So I definitely want to do that, but I'm kind of scared. I don't know why. So, but definitely I do want to do it. All right, this question I also get asked a lot is, do I ever get in trouble for filming at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Nordstrom Rack? And the answer is yes, girl. Definitely there has been times where I'm literally in the middle of recording and I feel someone behind me and they're like, excuse me ma'am, you can't film in here. And at first it was kind of like embarrassing and I would get so red. Now I'm just like, okay, sorry, I didn't know, and I just get up and leave, that's it. But definitely yes, at first it was embarrassing, but now I'm kind of just like, it's whatever. This question is pretty funny because every single time I film a video I almost see it like once or twice and it just makes me crack up, and it is, why do I film in my car most of the time? And that is because you guys know that I really don't like to do like sit down videos. I kind of like to do more like going around the city, bringing you guys along with me so you guys can feel like you're there with me instead of just sitting down like right now. So definitely if I'm doing like a video around the city, I can't film anywhere else besides my car. So that's why. Next question is asking me, how do I feel that stole my idea of makeup steals and deals, and also literally stole my title of "You won't believe what I found" at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And how do you feel? The way that you feel is how I feel, and I feel like for this question I should just sip on my wine because, girl, yeah, that's how I feel. Next question is, how do you deal with negative comments on YouTube? Because this person wrote, people nowadays tend to point out every single little detail, and girl, I know right now someone's gonna comment about my lashes or talking about something, and honestly, this question deserves another sipping because, yeah, let me just take another one because this is a hard one. Okay, how do I do it? Let me tell you how I do it. So when I see a comment that really does like tick me off, because I get plenty of those, what I usually do is I comment back, like I type really furiously, like this is me like, just like typing, like letting them know like, you're gonna have it today. And then I read it out loud, and then I'm just like, okay, you're not worth my time. I delete it, and then I just like never post it, but I get it out of my system, you know, I get it out, take my anger out, and then I just never post and never reply to them. So that's what I do. Kind of helps me, might help you too. But yeah, that's usually what I do. Do any of your relatives hate on you because you do YouTube? And honestly, I think I have, it's kind of sad to say. Not like my whole family, like my cousins are pretty supportive of my YouTube channel and they watch my videos and stuff, but I think there's like some relatives that when I'm around them, like I get that little vibe. You know when you get that vibe when people are just you just feel like they don't like you? I get that around them. But it's very sad, but yes, and I think that happens when, I don't know, it's just, it's hard, but yeah. I see an engagement ring on your finger. Are you planning on getting married, and how's house hunting going? I don't have a ring on right now because I lost my promise ring. It's not an engagement ring, it's a promise ring. I went to the gym and I think I was dehydrated and my ring just flew off, I think when I was running the track, and I lost it. So I don't have a ring right now. Plans on getting married. I definitely do want to get married. I think probably within the next 2 years. I do want to have my home first and then get married. House hunting, we did not get approved for a loan this year, but I do have faith and I know everything happens for a reason, and I know for next year we will hopefully be having our home by this time of the year. So yeah, that's that. Have you ever had an argument with another YouTuber? Spill the tea. So definitely it wasn't like a huge argument that you could call, but this is like a question that I still get here and there. If you guys are not familiar, or if you guys have not been seeing me way back, I created a challenge or a tag where I did makeup with kids makeup, so it's the kids makeup challenge, and Nikki Tutorials did it, and it was just like a whole chaos. People started like drama, you could say, I guess, saying that she stole my idea and all this stuff, but Nikki did reach out to me. We like talked about the topic and everything, and we're definitely cool. I still watch her videos, I respect her, and I love her videos. So that's that. Big YouTubers did recreate the video and didn't give me credit after she had acknowledged it on Twitter, on Snapchat, and her social medias. So I just think that's kind of funny that they did that, but girl, but it's all cool. It's cool. Do you get weird stares when you film in stores? Definitely yes. Even when I'm filming in stores, like people just stare like I have like this huge elephant in my forehead. I think here in Texas it is so rare people to vlog, so people just look at you like, who are they talking to? But if like only they knew that I'm talking to all of you guys. But I do get weird stares. Sometimes at first it was kind of hard, but now I'm just so over it. I'm like used to it. What makes me feel better when I'm feeling down or when I'm feeling off? I have those days. I think a lot of you guys probably picture my life to be perfect, but I have those days where I kind of just feel down for no reason. And I think you guys probably go through that phase too. Usually what I do, I listen to motivational speeches, I look inspirational quotes on Pinterest, and I just kind of give that whole day just to myself. I focus on myself. I usually stay away from everyone else. I just focus on me. I typically go outside and like to sit outside and just listen to little birds chirp. That gives me peace. But definitely that's what I do. But it's just a little phase. We all go through that. We all have those days where we're just kind of like, you know, and I live by the phrase saying it's okay not to be okay. So that's how I deal with it. Any merch? Girl, yes. There will definitely be merch coming very, very soon. I am so excited. I have been planning this merch for the longest. If you guys follow me on like Snapchat, you guys know know that I have been talking about this merch for a really long time, so I am so excited for you guys to see the merch. I know you guys are gonna love it. So what's a day like in my life? My life is pretty normal, I could say. What I do is I get up in the morning, I get ready, I get my son ready.
I start working, I go film the videos for you guys, I get home, I edit the videos, and I go pick up my son, I come back home, pick up the house, cook for Jason and my son, and then I have to do laundry most of the time, and I have a 2-year-old and have a mess everywhere, and I have to pick it up, and then I have to shower, and then I have to edit videos, and then I go to bed like around 2, and then it's the same thing all over again. So that's basically what I do.
It's kind of, it's boring. It's like the same thing every day. Nothing special about it. How did I come up with Steals and Deals? Basically, why did I start filming Steals and Deals? I'm broke, girl. So I got pregnant at a really young age. My mother-in-law used to love, no, she didn't used to, she still loves Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So my mother-in-law loves TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and she took me there one time, and my first ever high-end product that I found was the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. That was the very first one that I found, and I was like, oh my god, they have this here for like half of the price. It was like insane. That blew my mind. I kept going, I kept finding them, and I was like, oh my god, I have to let girls know. So then I started uploading the videos on YouTube, and at first I would get like 2K views, 4K views, and then girl, one day I woke up and it was just like 50K views, 100K views, and I was like, oh my god, what's going on? And then I guess a lot of girls discovered my videos, and now everyone watches them, and now everyone thanks me, and I'm like, girl, I got you, because I know what it's like to be on a budget but still want to look good. So I'm not embarrassed to say that half of the face that I have on right now, it comes from like TJ Maxx makeup. How do I budget? I basically, budgeting is very hard, especially when you go to those stores and you see all this makeup, but just in general, budgeting is really hard. So what I do, I have this binder, dang it, I wish I could have had it here, but I have this binder that has a lot of dividers, and each divider has a category. So one divider will be gas, money, spending money, and then eating, and then groceries, and like all that stuff. And then when I get my paycheck, I put all the money in those categories, and then I just literally spend what's in the spending budget folder, and then the rest I can't touch it. Where would you like to travel? I love Mexico. If I could travel to Mexico, I would definitely go like Puerto Vallarta, Nayarit, Mexico, all those places, or Acapulco, but unfortunately it has become very dangerous. So definitely on the next on my list will be Greece. My god, Greece is so beautiful. I can already picture some beautiful Instagram pictures and those white walls and the houses. Oh my god, Greece definitely has to be the place. The last question is, people say you are changing. Are you? I've been getting this on my latest video saying that I have changed and that I'm not the same. And you guys have to keep in mind that I literally just turned 21. I am evolving, I am finding myself, I am discovering things that I didn't even know I liked. I can't stay liking the same things for the rest of my life. Obviously, I'm going to be changing, I'm evolving, I'm growing, and it's normal, it's okay. So the only thing I can say is I really hope you guys can accept me for who I am, because I don't want this to come off rude or anything, but I will definitely not be changing to please anyone. I am going to do what makes me happy, and if you guys are willing to accept me the way I am, then thank you so much, and if not, I'm very sorry, but I cannot change the way that I am. It's just who I am, so that's that. I just think that it's not so much changing, it's evolving as a person. So that is it for this video. I do have to announce the winners for the Sephora gift cards, so I'm gonna do that right now. My phone is being really slow. I have to get the winners, so I'm just gonna sip on my little wine. This is so good. It's what is this wine called? Stella Rose with strawberries, sliced strawberries. Oh my goodness, so good. So the first winner is Catalina, second winner is Kaylin, and then third winner is Jessica Alamo. So girls, please message me on my Instagram so I can go ahead and ship you your Sephora gift cards. If you guys end up going to Sephora, definitely you guys will. But once you guys go to Sephora, please send me a picture of what you guys get. It would definitely mean a lot. Congratulations to you guys. And if you do not win, please don't be discouraged. You guys know that I do a giveaway in every single makeup steals and deals, so your chances of winning are pretty high. Thank you so much if you entered the giveaway. It means a lot. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys so much. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.